Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe before you leave. And yeah, today's video is going to be a spring cleaning video. I feel like it's been a while since I've just kind of vlogged with you guys at home. I really enjoy making these kind of vlogs, and I don't know, I like watching them. Watching other people clean just kind of gets me motivated. I'm sure that's probably why you guys clicked on this video too. So I actually started to try to vlog this on Friday. It didn't go so well. I don't know what I was thinking trying to get my spring cleaning done the weekend of Easter. I got a little bit done though, but honestly, like, we were just so busy with friends and family over the weekend. There was just no time. So it's the beginning of the week now, and I'm going to get the cleaning done. But yeah. So on Friday, I did get a little bit done, and I'll show you guys the clip from that. I've been obsessing over Casey West books, so I just got this one because I just got it in at my library. I'm so excited to read this because I just finished one of her other ones the other day. I literally just couldn't put it down. I'm just obsessed. I love her writing style. It's awesome. And yeah, I mean, I might do another like reading list. I don't know. I gotta get a couple more books read before I do that if you guys would like to see that, because I don't know, I had fun talking to you guys last time about the books that I like to read. But yeah, I ran to Ulta and grabbed a couple of things. Let's see. If you guys watched my tanning video, I had to go and pick up another one of their tanning mitts here. It's just my favorite one. And then I picked up another sugar scrub. This is the brand I was telling you guys about in that video if you haven't seen it. It's the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub. This one is in passion fruit and guava. I love, love, love the smell of this one. It's been a while since I've had it. And then I just went out and picked up another bottle of It's a 10 Miracle Light Leave-In. Oh my god. I have been without that for like a month and I can't stand it. Especially since I got my hair done, you know, my hair is just drier. Like, you guys can't even really tell in this lighting, but I got some blonde put in my hair, but because of the bleaching and everything, it's just made my hair drier, and it's just rough brushing it. I just want to make sure that I take care of it. I haven't done coconut oil hair mask in a while either, so I should probably do that sometime soon. But you guys wouldn't believe the mess that I've created. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, I told you guys that I got my enhanced license, right? This is stuff I ripped out of my closet and in the process of dealing with. That was organized before I did that, but I had to get all these documents out in order to get my enhanced license, and I just like had no time. But yeah, I'm like pretty pumped. I got a lot of energy today. I also want to clean out like in my bathroom. I want to organize in the cupboards and just like go through a few things and decide what I'm getting rid of and what is staying. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Looks so much better. So I got my table for when I film and need to like set makeup or my mirror or something on it, and then different canvases. I took that one down out of my room because I put up my TV and a new painting and moved my mirror and stuff over there. And then I have all of my hair stuff organized in this bin, just all my different curling wands, waver, hair dryer. I know I have a lot of them. This is where I keep all the documents. And then this bin is like I've got my neck pillow, which I don't really use so much anymore, but I don't know, I keep it just in case I need it. But in that box I have the things like my graduation stuff and some cords and stuff like that. I don't really have another place for them. All up here is all my like filming equipment. So like I have my light set up and the bulbs that go with it. That was the base of the TV that we took off. And then my printer and some more of my camera stuff, extra memory cards, things like that. But yeah, that looks so much better. Like, oh my gosh, finally. Okay, well, now I've moved into the bathroom. I started recording, but I forgot to hit the record button apparently. But anyways, I gotta clean out my cupboards. It's a complete mess in here now. I've got a bunch of stuff in there that I don't really use anymore, so I've got a bag and I'm starting to put things in it that my best friend can go through and she can just decide what she wants to take and whatever, because I've kind of already been giving her like hair masks and things that I'm not going to be using anymore, so figure she can take her pick and then I'll just get rid of the rest of this stuff. But it's a complete wreck. Like, It's so bad. I've already started tearing through things and like pulling some stuff out here, and I've got a bag here to put everything in. That's where I'm at right now. I put this in the bag for her because honestly, guys, I wasn't too big of a fan. I don't know, the scent was really strong and I just didn't care for it. I'm obsessed with the philosophy bubble bath stuff. I've got like 3 different ones of these to try their different scents, and I love them, so I'm keeping that. I just got so much stuff in here. I keep this little bag for my daughter. Like, she actually got this from school or something. I don't know. It says Looking Sharp. Obviously, it was supposed to be like for pencils, but it's just so cute. It's got cactuses on it. But I just keep all of her hair stuff in there. So I put her headbands and stuff like that in there. So that way we don't have hair ties and stuff everywhere. Well, it's not like perfect, but it's a lot more organized. I got rid of so much stuff. So, yep, it just, there. That looks so much better. I have my nail polish stuff in there. I got rid of a ton. This is her hair stuff. I put some extra shampoo and conditioner and some of my bath wash face masks. Then I've got our hair stuff that we use a lot right there, just because we're going to be reaching for it all the time. Back there is some like old perfume that I wanted to keep in case. I kind of swap them out every so often, and some dog shampoo and stuff. And then here's all of our moisturizers, hair masks, things like that, body scrubs. So, yep, all right. I got rid of so much, seriously. On Easter, all I pretty much did was get my laundry done, honestly, and my dog was being super cute and trying to like get my attention the whole time. She's so adorable. So that was kind of distracting. But yeah, if you guys aren't following me on social media, I'll leave those links down below because I did share some of my Easter with you guys over Instagram stories and things like that. So yeah. So now it's the beginning of the week. I'm finally ready to clean. I just showered and got ready this morning. I haven't had a bite to eat yet today because I'm doing this whole fasting thing. So see you guys in a little bit.
Never saw you. You saw me back and I fell out. Please don't be shy. I know that you feel like me too. Don't be afraid. Give me your love, baby, give me your hand now. And I just wanna go with you anywhere. I feel like I'm on a wave. I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. Give me love, give me up, give me again. I feel like I'm on a wave. I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. Baby, I just want
I've heard that.
never saw you. You saw me back and I fell out. Please don't be shy. I know that you feel like me too. Don't be afraid. Give me your love, baby, give me your hand now. And I just wanna go with you anywhere. I feel like I'm on a wave. I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today. Give me love, give me up, give me again. I feel like I'm on a wave. I wish you could take me away, but nothing will happen today.
I wanted to show you guys these cute little outfits I got for Savea. How adorable is that? I just love it. It's so cute. Now that the weather's getting nicer. I got her these cute shorts with that little tank top with the little watermelons on it. How adorable is that? Anyways, I got her these cute pants with the little flowers, and they fold down at the ankles and have the little rip in them. And then I found this shirt that matches, and it says "Girls Are the Future." It has these cute little ruffles right there. I just love shopping for spring clothes for her.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
I feel like I got so much done today. I was so excited to change up my letterboard. Like, yes, I'm that person. I like to change it up like throughout the seasons, or I don't know if there's a big shift in my mood or something, and I like to put up like new quotes or lyrics to songs that I really like. And I found that one on Pinterest and just thought it was like really good for this time of the year. So yeah, yeah, so right now I'm just going to take a break and eat some lunch and watch New Girl, because I turned that on and I love that show. I'm just going through and like rewatching the seasons. It's been a long time since I've seen it, and actually there's a few new seasons I haven't seen either, but I'm just going to go through and watch them all. So yeah, I've been binge watching that a lot lately. What is your favorite show, you guys? Leave it in the comments down below, because this is definitely one of my top favorite shows now. I mean, I have a whole list of them. Friends has been my #1 since I was younger, but I don't think that'll ever change, but this one is like up there with Friends. So yeah, the only main things I have left to do that I really want to get done is vacuuming and cleaning up the kitchen and the bathroom, and yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna get done today.
She told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
So yeah guys, that's it for today's spring cleaning vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.